So here is my WordPress website, and if I try to visit another page aside this home page, we're going to encounter a 404 error. So let's try to visit the About Us page. So here it is, the 404 not found error. It says the resource requested could not be found on this server. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix this error real quick. So what we're going to do now is to visit our cPanel. So while in your cPanel, I want you to search for File Manager, and here we're going to locate the file for our website. In case you have multiple websites hosted on your server, you're just going to find the folder for your particular website. So we're going to be using this THEWPBRO because that's the one that we have the issue on. And what I want to do now is to come to htaccess. I'm going to delete this htaccess. So we're going to come here and click on delete and skip the trash and confirm the deletion. So once you've deleted the htaccess folder, we're just going to come back to cPanel, and here we're going to come to WordPress Manager by Softaculous. So you can just search for Softaculous, and then we're going to just come to WordPress Manager by Softaculous, and here we're going to log in through this area. We're going to log in as admin to our WordPress website. So we're going to just click on this blue button. So now that we are logged in, there's just one thing we need to do. We need to scroll down to settings, and we're going to come to permalinks. So we're going to save our permalink without making any adjustment to it. We're just going to scroll down and we're just going to click on save changes so that it will be able to generate a new htaccess file for us. So now that we've saved our permalink settings, we're just going to visit our website again, and by the time we click on any other page aside this home page, we shouldn't be able to see the 404 error anymore. So there you have it. We can now visit every other pages on our website without having the 404 error we encountered earlier on. So this is how you can quickly fix this error in case you encounter the error on your WordPress website. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.